Hello, my friends. I hope you're having an outstanding, fabulous day. Beautiful sunny day here in Maryland. I am on a job site. What kind of job site? A product review job site, and telling you all something about some car mats that a company sent to me. And today I'm with my friend, my neighbor, Holly, and I have her Jeep Grand Cherokee 22 here. And I have car mats that were sent to me by KARPAL. And there's Holly. Say hi to all my friends.
Hello.
She was reluctant, but I said, I got some free car mats for you. So I'm going to tell you about the car mats. I'm going to have a link in the description. You can go on to take you right to Amazon and you can buy these. And so here are the car mats. So this is for a 2022 Jeep Cherokee. It's from KARPAL. Plastic, they're pretty durable. I've already been pulling on them. Recycled plastics. They come labeled so you can't screw them up. Left and right, bless you. Middle row, and then the rear for the cargo row. And you can see that if you spill your big gulp, your 32-ounce big gulp, they have high sides so that you'll protect your vehicle. So we're going to install them. The first thing you have to do is you have to remove the carpet mats that came with the vehicle. They were clipped in here. You have to pull it out. And why? Because the KARPAL floor liners clip right in here so that they don't move and they're 100% safe. Slide your seat all the way back, and then you simply fit it in. It's a perfect fit, not hard to do. Right side?
Right side. Goes in very easy. Line your holes up. Snap. Snap. And then you can just peel your little sticker off. Once you get it in here, I'll leave that on for now.
And then there they are. And then once this sits in here, this will eventually lay down flat. So you can see the form fitted, and you can look online and pick your vehicle out so you can pick out your mats. Side. Move the seat all the way back. This is the existing mat. Just pops up, and then you put the new one in. Left side marked with the L. Slides right in. It's form fitted. Snap in the same holes that the original. And then you can see how high up it is. And it fits in perfectly. And then once it sits in for a while, because it was in a box and folded up in the box, these will lay flat. For the rear, move your seats up all the way to the front. You do not need to remove the factory carpet mats to install. Take the centerpiece, curve section goes to the front where your console is, and then you're in.
That's it.
Again, form fitted. Also has a high lip, and then you don't have to worry about ruining your carpet or your mats. The last piece lays right over top. Flat section with the higher lip goes to the back seats. And it is shaped to the shape of the vehicle. And then after it's been in for a while, it'll lay flat. And it also has sides to keep any spills from going up behind your seats and down your side. And there you have it, my friends. That's how easy it is to install these mats. And again, no off-gassing, no smell, recycled materials. I have the link, KARPAL, on Amazon. Great product, KARPAL. All right, my friends, I hope you enjoyed that video. KARPAL, I'll have the link if you want to check them out. They have a bunch of different vehicles. They didn't have my Honda Ridgeline or my Corolla or my Subaru, but they do have a bunch of vehicles. They work perfectly on my friend's Holly's Grand Cherokee. It's actually a pretty good product. Nice high sides. They don't stink, which is kind of important. And if you're a green person, they are recycled. And I'll tell you how green they are. Look, this is Holly's puppy dog right here. Rescue. Hey, baby. Look at that cute pup. The box that they come in, on the side it says don't throw it away, and then they have images that you can cut out and you can make little deer, little dog. I'm not really sure why, but they want you to recycle everything. And there's my helper Holly. So I want you all to give Holly a big shout, and if any of you know Holly from the neighborhood, make sure that you subscribed if you haven't, because Holly's going to tell our friends that she's famous now. Like, share my video, check out the product. Holly, do you like the mats?
I love them.
Were they easy to put in?
Very easy.
And
2 minutes. All the mats are in.
All the mats are in, and now she doesn't have to worry so much when she gets in with muddy, wet feet.
Or dog hair.
Or dog hair. And there's her puppy. Her other puppy's inside.
She's not people friendly.
They're not people friendly. But, you know, rescues have had a hard life, so. All right, my friends, thank you all for being my friends, my subscribers. Thank you for appreciating my humor. Thank you for sharing my videos. And if you've come across this and you're not a subscriber, you know what you got to do. You got to do it. Boom! You got to smash that subscribe. You got to click on that like, click on the bell. I love you all. See ya!
Oh my God, you're weird.
I'm going to leave that in because it didn't turn off yet. She called me weird.